Hey there, team. Today we're going to dive into a powerful feature in Securely that can help us enhance our network security: allow and block lists. These lists are essential tools for controlling access to specific websites or domains. Let's go ahead and get started.
So basically we can go one of two directions with allow and block lists. But the first thing that we want to do is we want to go in and add our blocking plan. So we can have an allow list. I'm just going to save that. And then I'm going to do a block list. So a block list is going to specifically block websites. And then your students can get to everything else that's not blocked on this list or that's not on this list. With an allow list, you're specifically listing websites that you only want your students to access. So if it is not on the allow list, they will not be able to get to it. So starting with an allow list, you're going to go in and add your sites. So you're going to click this add sites to allow or block. With this one, it's allow only. So again, I'm sorry to keep repeating it, but your students will only be able to access the sites on this list. So you'll click allow only next. This is where you're going to go in. If you've added your web links, they'll be here. If not, you can just go in and manually add different websites. So I've added a few websites on here, one of them being the landing page for students. That is how students can access different websites, Canvas, Clever, those kinds of things. And then I did Canvas and then IXL. So I'll click add. And then again, these are allow and they're listed right here. And I would save that. And that's how I build my allow list. For a block list, it's going to be very, very similar. You're going to go in. We're going to click block only. Next. And then I can go in and manually, so if I do not want them to go to crazymathgames.com, I can add that. If I don't want them to be able to go to Wikipedia, I can add that and add. And again, you can see that it's block only. Save. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our classes tab, and you are going to have all of your courses listed here. Go ahead and click into class settings within your course card, and on here you are going to be able to add your blocking plan. So either your allow list or your blocking list. So you'll click here. Let's just do our allow list for this, and then that is set on here. You can also go in and if I want, as soon as I start the class, I want all of their tabs to close. I can also do a class schedule. You can go in here and if this class is on Tuesday and Thursday and it starts at 1:30 and it runs for I don't know, 45 minutes, it will automatically start that every single time on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1:30. Let's do PM though. Then you'll just save it. And then when you go in, I'm actually just gonna run this right now. This is my daughter, by the way. I made her a fake account so that I could show you this. So I'm not sharing any student data, so don't worry about that. Anyway, so then on here, Blake would only be able to access the classes that I put on my allow list. Now, let's say that it's a different day and I actually want something different. So maybe I want to do my block list today. I can go in, and again, you can always limit tabs too. So maybe I only want 2 tabs for the students. I can go in and I can add my block list instead and save. So the last thing to go over, if you want to go in and change one of your blocking plans, you'll just go into this blocking plans on the left hand side. You can click allow list, and then we can add some more manually, and it would be the same with the block list. So hopefully this helps clear up some things about allow and block lists and securely. Let me know if you have any questions.
Tech track, we on that road, blazing trails with a binary code. Adventures in learning, youth unleashed through Chrome screens, knowledge increased.